Welcome to Instant Pot Pro. Today we are diving into a device that proves big things really do come in small packages. If you have been hesitant to jump on the pressure cooker bandwagon because you lack counter space or live in a smaller home, the Instant Pot 4-quart RIO Mini might just be the kitchen upgrade you have been waiting for. Let us start with the design. This unit comes in a beautiful rosewater finish that looks incredibly modern and adds a soft, stylish pop of color to any kitchen countertop. It is remarkably compact, yet it maintains a cooking surface that feels just like an 8-inch pan. This is what Instant Pot calls mini and mighty. It is specifically designed for singles, students, or small families of up to 4 people. Functionality is where this device really shines. You are getting 7 cooking functions in one machine. You can pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, cook rice, make yogurt, and keep your meals warm. Whether you are whipping up a quick weeknight dinner or experimenting with homemade yogurt, this little machine handles it all. One of my favorite small details is the anti-spin design. When you are sautéing ingredients, the pot stays nice and steady, which makes stirring so much easier. When it comes to performance, it packs 800 watts of power. That means you can cook up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking methods. Plus, you get a clear progress indicator, so you always know exactly where your meal is in the cooking cycle. Safety is also a top priority here. The RIO Mini comes with over 10 proven safety features, including overheat protection and an auto-sealing locking lid, so you can cook with complete peace of mind. Let us talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the size is perfect for apartment living or smaller kitchens. It is incredibly easy to clean because the lid and the stainless steel inner pot are dishwasher safe. The build quality feels sturdy, and the safety features are robust. On the flip side, the 4-quart capacity is clearly meant for smaller portions, so if you frequently meal prep for a large family or host big dinner parties, you might find yourself needing a larger model. Also, because it is more compact, you have to be mindful of how much you are packing into the pot so you do not exceed the fill lines. Overall, the Instant Pot RIO Mini is an exceptional piece of kitchen tech for anyone looking to save time and space without sacrificing the ability to cook versatile, healthy meals. It turns the often intimidating world of pressure cooking into something simple, fast, and very approachable. If you are tired of spending hours in the kitchen and want a reliable, good-looking assistant that handles the heavy lifting for you, this is a fantastic investment. It is efficient, stylish, and remarkably convenient for everyday use. Link in the description.